1. Open your web browser and navigate to IFTTT website. 2. Click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. 3. On the Login page, select the Continue with Google option. 4. A Google sign-in window will pop up. Select the Google account you want to use for IFTTT. 5. Review the information that Google will share to IFTTT, then click Continue to grant access. You'll be redirected back to IFTTT. 6. Click on the shared link of the published applet named PC Battery Low. Then click Connect. It will ask for your Tapo account. 7. Log into your Tapo account, then click Authorize to allow IFTTT to have access to your Tapo devices. Select which smart plug to use, then click Save. Do the same thing with the published applet named PC Battery Good. That's it for this demo. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.